So today I was going to talk a little bit about quantum theory of radiation and quantum energy, and looking at the pictures and the figure of 12.4 and the photographs and seeing, the six different stages, and seeing the picture of the lady develop over time. Um, it brought me back to doing a little bit of photography, back in the old days when 35 millimeter was used, and we used to develop the film and develop the pictures in a dark room. And it brought me back to that whole double slot theory, or double slit theory, and when you first start and realize that that energy passing onto the contact paper or the photo film paper, and over time seeing that picture develop, it kind of rung the bell. And I remembered back then, and, you know, if you didn't leave that light on long enough, you would have underexposed pictures, and where the energy didn't quite get all onto that paper and create that picture that you were hoping for and looking at. And then if you left it on, various times and seen the various stages of what the print would be, and then if you left it on too long, that energy would totally overtake that photo film, and create an overexposure. So it's kind of interesting, reading about the, the the theories of energy and the radiation, and how that transposed onto the contact paper, or the wall in the double slit experiment, and seeing how, the when it passed through the slits, you never knew where it was going to go. And it's kind of the same principle, when you click on that light to develop that picture on the paper, you could actually see the picture slowly develop in front of your eyes and slowly take form, just like that picture in 12.4, where it starts off as just some few dots around, and then over the time you slowly seeing that picture of that girl's face develop until you had the actual picture right there in front of you. So that's what I wanted to talk about, and that's what I found interesting, is actually learning why, when I was doing that film, how that actually, we just took it for granted of how, you turned on the light and it went through there and through that negative, and you suddenly had this picture on a piece of paper. And now reading this and understanding it a little bit more, now I understand how that happened, and how that picture, transferred from that negative and onto the paper, and we ended up with our photographs.